How you guys doing today? Today what I'm going to do for you guys, I am going to try this recipe that everybody been doing on YouTube. Like if you love Buffalo Wild Wings or Wingstop, guys, and you want to try this recipe and make some awesome wings at home, guys, you guys can follow along. So what I'm going to make today is Parmesan, garlic, and teriyaki wings. So I'm not a big eater, so guys, when I make my wings, I'm not going to make a whole lot because it's only for me. So I'm just going to make a set of two of each. 2 buffalo, 2 parmesans, 2 garlic, 2 hot wings, because it's just me. So guys, I've already cleaned my chicken wings and they're prepared, guys, to go. No seasoning, guys. They said the seasoning is in the sauce, so we're gonna see if that's really true. So I'm gonna get the air fryer ready, and I'm gonna put these wings. So they've been clean already. I'm just put them in the air fryer, guys, with absolutely no seasoning on them. So now we're gonna get these going, and then we're gonna work on the sauce. So they said when you do it for 2. You're gonna do it 20 minutes. And then you're going to let it cook again for another, like, I think she said like 10 minutes. And then we're going to put it in the oven on broil once we get the sauce all made up. So, right now, the easiest sauce to make, guys, we're going to do the hot sauce kind. So, guys, just take your butter and add your hot sauce. And when you melt this down, this is going to be for the hot wings flavor. That's it. Okay, and there's only 2 wings going in there. So guys, that's that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm about to make the teriyaki kind, guys. So this one is a little bit more challenging, guys. So I need to get my pot ready. Okay. So, we're going to take soy sauce. We're going to do about 1, I'm going to do 1/2 cup, because remember I'm only doing 2 wings. So I got 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and then I'm going to do 1/2 cup of water. I'm going to put this in there, okay? Then we're going to take 1 cup of brown sugar, guys. Put that in there. 1 cup of brown sugar, guys. I'm going to take a 1/2 spoon of garlic. Put that in there, guys. I'm going to take a teaspoon of honey. I do 2 teaspoons of honey. 2 teaspoons of honey. And I'm going to take ginger. I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of ginger. 1. Come on, ginger. The ginger don't want to come out. And then you can use raw ginger too. Okay, 2 teaspoons of ginger. So we're going to stir that all up, guys. And sometimes they do a little bit of a Creole season, but I got high blood pressure, so I'm gonna minus my Creole season in here, because the soy sauce to me is already salty, and remember I got high blood pressure, so I'm trying to use a recipe friendly for my high blood pressure. So I'm gonna put this all in a pot, and we're gonna let this come to a boil, guys. And to thicken up the sauce, guys, so after we get the sauce thicken. This is cornstarch, guys. Can't be flour. Cornstarch. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to use some cold water, guys. This is what's going to thicken up the teriyaki sauce. So, guys, if you guys want more flavor, y'all can go online and look at the other stuff. I think they put Creole and some other stuff in there. But for me, soy sauce is really salty. So, with them 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, guys, a little bit of cold water, I'm going to mix this up, guys, and pretty much let this do its thing, guys. This one either can go in a double boil or microwave. So that's that. And guys, now we're going to make the Parmesan. So I got my butter here, guys. So the butter is here. I'm going to take the Parmesan, guys, put that in. Okay, with the butter. Mind you, I'm only making 2 at a time, guys. I'm not making a big recipe. So if you guys going to make a big recipe, make your recipe bigger. I'm going to take my garlic, fresh garlic, put it in there. Well, not fresh, but you know, chopped garlic. Put it in there. I am going to take a little bit of Creole season and put it in there. I'm going to take some paprika. Put the paprika in there, guys. I'm going to take a touch of onion powder. Put a little onion powder in there. Okay. I got the paprika. I got the garlic. And if you guys want more garlic, put that in there. Then this, guys, where's my clover leaves? That is going to also go to a boil. There's my clover leaves going in there. That is also going to go to a boil, guys. So I'll come back to you guys when it's all melted and all ready, guys. So the chicken is about to be ready to come out. But guys, do you see my teriyaki sauce and how thick it is? Okay, do not substitute the cornstarch for flour, guys, because you're not going to get this consistency. Do not. If you do it, you're not going to get it. It has to be cornstarch. And the Parmesan, guys, is right there. And the one with the hot sauce is right here. So I'm waiting on my wings to come out, guys. I'm going to toss them. And then they're going to go up into the oven on broil. And they said that it's supposed to taste just like either Wingstop, Buffalo Wild Wings, or, you know, I keep washing my hands. I got a habit of always touching, moving my hair out of the way. That's why you should be wearing a hairnet, or you won't have to worry about that. So, guys, I got about another 8 minutes on my wings coming out. I'm going to come back with you guys when I'm ready to toss them and put them in the oven, guys. Okay, guys, I am going to stop the wings from the air fryer. And I am ready to start putting them into the sauce, guys. So, okay. This is where the magic comes from, guys. So you take it and put it into the teriyaki sauce, guys. And, you know, they use a bigger bowl. They toss theirs around, but I'm just mixing it around, the teriyaki sauce. Put it in there really, really good. Get it in there really, really good, guys. And then you take it after you toss it around. So they kind of like, you know, use a bigger bowl and kind of toss it around. I just submerge mine. So then you're going to take it, and I got a wax paper in there. Put it on your wax paper. Excuse me. Put a little bit on there. Okay. All right. So that's that one. I'm going to rinse my tongs off, because I'm going to now go with the hot. Okay. So now we take 2 of each for the hot and whistle that around real good, guys. And yes, guys, no flour goes on this recipe. Absolutely no flour. Okay, guys? So whisk that around and put this onto your wax paper. And what I do, I just dip in there and take a little bit of the hot sauce and kind of just pour it a little bit on there. And then the final one, guys, is the Parmesan. So I use this whisk to wisp it up. Okay, take the tongs. And remember, no seasoning, guys. And I would say to you guys that's like myself, if you guys got high blood pressure and different stuff like that, make a friendly recipe for you. Like some of that salty stuff, you might have to cut out. You might can't have all that salty. So guys, get this whisk around real good, just the Parmesan one. And once this get in there real good, guys, I'm going to put it in the oven. Whisk it around real good. Okay. Get it in there real good. Soak up that Parmesan. And then I take it and kind of just whatever residue is left. Okay. I'm going to take a little of this, whatever residue, kind of to get it coated good so that it can have that nice flavor. The teriyaki is really thick. So, guys, if you want your hot wings to be thicker, use less butter and more barbecue sauce. Now, it goes in the oven, guys. Put my wedges in there. And I'll share with you guys the end results of it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Timing on how long I cooked the wings. I actually did the wings in the air fryer for 30 minutes because a lot of time when them air fryers start up, they got to get up to a certain temperature. So I wound up doing 30 minutes in the air fryer and kind of shook them around. And then I went to the oven, and they only was in the oven, I would say, about 7-8 minutes. And I wish I would have left them in there maybe 10. But yeah, the paper for some reason was giving off smoke. So that was the actual time frame that I did the wings. And then the fries I just put in the air fryer on 20 minutes and they was done. And those was seasoned fries, excuse me, too. And I accidentally put a little lemon pepper on those, and those was a little too intense. The fries was already seasoned. So with my high blood pressure, I got to be mindful about the intake of salt and stuff. So I always try to do lemon pepper, garlic. I try to stay away from a lot of salty foods because I am severe hypertension with high blood pressure. So you guys have an awesome day and try the recipe, guys, but just try to make it friendly to what your needs are. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. And no, you cannot substitute the cornstarch for flour to make the teriyaki sauce thicker. It has to be cornstarch, not all-purpose flour. Alrighty, bye. Okay, so final review on my buffalo style wings or Wingstop. They actually turned out really good, and I will say the flavor is in the sauce. I did not season these wings, and these wings is full of flavors. I know a lot of people have done it. They said the wings would be really salty because if you season them. The only thing that I wish I did a little longer, I wish that I'd have cooked them a little bit longer. It doesn't have the crunch like I would like. But overall, good. Real intense flavor. Like I said, I wish I would have left them in a little bit longer, but I kind of got a little nervous because my oven started smoking. So the wax paper, and I guess the juices from the wax paper was letting off fumes. So maybe next time I'll use aluminum foil than the wax paper like they use. Because I don't know, it seemed to be more smoky. But overall, guys, the flavor is intense. It is in a sauce, so that's why I didn't put the Creole season in mine as well, because I do have high blood pressure. So I kept that spice out. But overall, guys, it's delicious. Try it for yourself, guys. You guys have an awesome day. And like I said, I don't know, but my wax paper in the oven and the sauces, it was smoking. If I'd have left it in a little bit longer, it'd have been exact the way that I like my wings. These was kind of crunchy, but could have been more crunchy, guys. All right, guys, try this recipe out, guys. You have an awesome day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, here's a couple still pictures. Yes, guys, try it out. An awesome recipe, guys. So if you love Wingstop Buffalo Wild Wings, you definitely got to try this recipe. This is what it looked like after coming out of the oven. These is the Parmesan ones right here. These are teriyaki, and these is the the hot sauce ones. And these are some potato wedges, and that is blue cheese. So guys, I'll taste it and guys, let you know my honest opinion on how I think that it came out. Alrighty guys, bye-bye.